Hello everyone, welcome to AssistiveTouch videos. We're going to explain some fast and easy tricks. Here we go with a fantastic tutorial about iPhones, that is how we can use Assistive Touch of iPhones completely. Just please, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. Okay, here we go. Firstly, you must go to Setting and then Accessibility and go to the Touch section. Here you can see the Assistive Touch. Go there and turn it on. You can see something is created on your screen. That is something like a mouse for your iPhone. And I want to explain other options of this mouse. The first option of this section is Customize Top Level Menu. Open it to customize your options. You can increase or decrease the number of your options, like this. Here you can see a lot of functions that the best of them are App Switcher, Device, Lock Screen, Notification, Reachability, and Control Center. Choose your favorite functions which you need. For the next part, you have 3 options here, and if you have an iPhone from iPhone 6s to XS Max, you have 4 options. That one of them is 3D Touch. Now, what are these options doing? For example, for the first item, that is single tap, you can set an action for the first tap of Assistive Touch. Some actions like, for example, Home or App Switcher, that I put the Home option here for helping me to quit apps easier. For the second action, that is double tap, you must set an option again like single tap. And I put the App Switcher as my function. And then for long press, I put open menu of Assistive Touch. Here you can make a gesture like this and put them on your menu. You can see the example right here. The last practical item is the idle opacity, that you can set the opacity of Assistive Touch as you like. And the best opacity is 25% or 30%. And nothing else. Just please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the notification button. Have a nice time. Goodbye.